Use Scan in the OneDrive mobile app to quickly capture a document, whiteboard, business card, or photo. Tap Scan. Swipe to choose Whiteboard and scan the board. The image will be cleaned up automatically. Now you can crop it, add text, or inking. Select filters to adjust lighting or the scan mode. When you're ready, select Done. Give it a name and save it to your OneDrive. If it's during or within 5 minutes after a meeting, OneDrive asks to share it with meeting participants. Need to scan a document? Swipe to Document and select Scan. Tap Add to scan additional pages. After it's saved, search the scan for exactly what you want.